equal sets, and we give the example like set A 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B containing element 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can say both the set contain the same element and equal number of elements. That's why this set is set A is equal to set B. So there are two conditions for equal set. First, number of elements are equal in both the set. Second, elements are same. These two things you have to remember. Yeah, two sets are said to be equal if they have same element and number of element are also equal. Right? Now, here you have see different example is also given. Like example 7c. Example 7, write down. Example 7 says find a pair of equal sets. Find a pair of equal sets. If any in the given. So we are given set A containing element 0, set B containing element. बेटा ये लेट कौन आ रहा टाइम से आया कर तुम लोग B bar says x such that x is greater than 15 and x is less than 5. So x is greater than 15 and less than 5. There is any element. बेटा देखिए बी सेट क्या कह रहा है x such that x is greater than 15 and x is less than 5. So is there any element देवदत्त?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए is there any number which is greater than 15 but less than 5?
Greater than. No, sir.
So this is empty set. Right? Similarly, 3 say x minus 5 is equal to 0. X such that x minus 5 is equal to 0. So this set 5 only. X equal to 5. So C set contain only one element 5. Then D equal to X. Set D contain X such that X square equal to 25. So value of X will be good. So we can say D contain element minus 5 and plus 5.
5.
Similarly, E says X, X such that X is an integer positive root. It is integer positive root of equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So what element of this E set contain? If you solve this equation, what we get value of x? By splitting the middle term, you can solve the quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus 15. So x square minus 5x plus 3x. You can take x common first, then you take 3 common. So we get factor as so we get two value minus 3 and 5.
5.
So this set E contain element as minus 5 and plus 5 and
-3.
minus 3. Right? Just say each word says x such that x is a integral positive root. So element of E will be
5.
only 5. We are not taking minus 3 because the condition says x should be positive root. So set E contain element as 5 only. So these sets are given A, B, C, D, E. So again you can say A contain only element 0, B is a empty set, no element is there, or 5 you can write, and set E contain only 5 as element, set D contain minus 5 and plus 5, and E contain only 5,
5.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now question says out of this which pair are equal? तो इसमें से कौन कौन से इक्वल है? Equal C, E, because both contain element
5.
10. Is there any pair which is equal? Like A 0, there is no any set which contain only 0. So A
0.
not equal to B, or A not equal to C, A not equal to D, and A not equal to E.
E.
Similarly, P contain no element, so there is a no set other which contain no element. So again you can say P not equal to C, B not equal to D, and B not equal to E.
E.
Similarly, C contain only 5. So C not equal to B, C not equal to D, C is equal to, so
E.
only one pair, right?
Yes, sir.
So write down only C equal to E. This is the answer. Only pair of equal set is C and E. Which of the following pairs are equal? Right? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Now first part is X is the set of letters in the alloy. X is the set of the letters in the word ALLOY, and B is the set of the letter in the word loyal. This is clear, beta? So X will contain what element? Set X contain element alloy ALOY, and set B contain element LOY. A. So these are equal.
इक्वल है सर, इक्वल है.
Good. Both are having same number of elements. Equal to B. All elements are same. This is justification X equal to E. Now second part, write down A equal to curly bracket and such that capital Z integer and L square is less than equal to 2. And B such that X belongs R and X square minus 3X equal to 0. So now you have to find these are given in which form? Mega.
सर वो स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही.
Mega.
सर वो 2 मिनट का फिर.
क्या सर, इसका आवाज नहीं आती.
सर वो सर माइनस 6x प्लस
In which form these sets are written?
Set builder form.
Good.
हेड बिल्डर.
Set builder form, right? Now can we write this in roster form? So what element belongs to the set A? The integer whose square is less than equal to 4. Of this, the integer whose square is less than equal to 4. कौन से इंटीजर जिनका स्क्वायर 4 या 4 से लेस है?
-1,
हाँ,
-2,
हाँ,
0 नहीं 1
और 2.
हाँ 2.
Square of B all is less than equal to 4.
4.
Clearly, to find the roster form of the B, X should be here and this. So you can factorize this.
Yes, sir.
X minus 2, here you take minus common. So X minus 2 and X minus. X
2.
and X equal to 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
So set B contains element 1 and 2. So can you say that set A and B are equal or not?
No, sir.
No. So write down reason. Since you can say 0 belongs to A, but 0 not belongs to B. Or
B.
you may give any other example, minus 1 belongs A, but not B. Or minus 2 belongs A, but not. So you
B.
can write here A not equal to B.
B.
As 0 belongs A, but 0 not.
B.
B.
So this is the justification. So write down this example. एक्सरसाइज में कल आपने कौन से क्वेश्चन कर लिए थे 1 2 3? Then you have to solve today for homework 4 5 6. In question number 4 you have to check either A equal to B or not. We have given the different example. You can easily identify either A equal to B or not. Similarly in fifth also, because in fourth we are given roster form and in fifth we are given mostly set builder form. So again here also you check A equal to B or not. And in last also 6 1 from the sets given below, select equal set. So we have already done this example 7. So last question is similar to example 7. You are given set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You have to identify which pair of sets have the same element, exactly same element. Then only you can say A equal to B.
B.
तो ये क्वेश्चन क्या कर लोगे? Then next topic we see that is subsets. Subsets, like suppose set A contain element 1, 2, 3 and set B contain element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we call here A is a subset of B. Why? Because every element of set A are also the element of set B.
B.
In set A, you can say 1, that is also element of B. 2, that is also element of the set B. 3, that is also element of set B. So every element of set A are also the element of set B.
B.
So we called A is a subset of B.
B.
A is a subset of B. That is, we write it as in symbolical language A subset B. This is the symbol of subset. A subset B.
B.
Correct?
Yes,
So you may write definition for the subset A set A is said to be A set A is a subset of set B. If every element of B is every element
Set A
of set if every element of set A are also the if every element of set A is also element of set B. This is the definition of subset. In other words, in symbolical language we write, in other words, if A subset of B, A subset of B implies A belongs to A, then A also belongs to B. Here small a represent as a element of set and capital letters stand for set. ये हमने बताया था कैपिटल लेटर जो इंग्लिश के लिखते हैं हम लोग वो क्या होता है सेट और स्मॉल है वो क्या होता है उसका एलिमेंट. So A is a subset of B. If A belongs A, then A also belongs B. Or you may also read it as A is a subset of B. If A is an element of A, implies A is also element of B. So this definition is clear.
Yes, sir.
And if A is a not subset of B, if A is not subset of B, so we write in symbolical language A not subset B. Means if A belongs A, then A not belongs then you may call A is not subset of B. Right? So note it down this. Considering two sets A 1, 2, 3 and B is also 1, 2, 3. Then can you say A is a subset of B or not?
Yes, sir. Subset.
A is a subset of B. Or B is a subset of A.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because all elements of B are also the element of
A.
then B is a subset of A, and A is a subset of B because every element of A are the element of the set B.
B.
So what we get? If these two possible, then A equal to
B.
B.
So this is very important result. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we may write if A subset B and B subset of A, or you may write in this word also conversely. A subset of B and B subset of A here we are using one more symbol.